Want to make sure your Facebook profile stays private and only accessible to the people you trust? It's time to lock things down. Here's how to make your Facebook account completely private step by step and keep your information safe. But firstly, save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to make your Facebook account completely private. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device and logging into your account. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This is your personal control center. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on the Profile Locking. Then click on the Lock Your Profile. This ensures no one can see your post unless you want them to. There you have it. Your Facebook account is now as private as possible. It's all about taking control of your settings and being mindful of who can see your information. So this is how to make your account completely private. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.